Yeah, man, I finally got them on it, man. Finally got the job done. Sounds good. Sounds great. Check it out. 07 Avalanche, man. Stage 3 cam, Texas speed. That's what it is, man. It's your boy Rollo. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Holla back at your boy. Alright. What we're going to do today, we're going to try to get these headers installed on this 07 Avalanche. See how this thing sounds. Let's get started. Okay, what we have here is the old setup, as you can see, versus the new setup. So I already have this one. Well, as you can see, I got it taken off on the driver's side. So what I'm going to do, I'm finna go on and try to put this one over there. Let's take a little look up here. See what we got. Alright. No, it's a little dark. But yeah, we're gonna get that installed. Let me get a light too. It's kind of dark. Alright. Let's get these things taken off. There's one. Let's see if I can look at this other one. Come on. Alright. So that should allow the Y pipe to come down. If we can. Oh shit. Hold on, I see another. I'm almost forgetting about it. Try the light so you can see what I'm seeing. See right there? Got another clip. And pull that out. Pull up the clip. Push that off. And there it is. As you can see. So there's a pipe on this one. There's your white pipe. Cut white pipe. Alright. There's the white pipe that I removed. So now it's trying to get the headers on there. See what we can do with that. Alright, we finally got the stage 3 cam installed, done. We got the exhaust, the headers on there. Y'all want to check out, see how it sounds? Let's go. Yeah, first we're gonna go up under the hood and show y'all. I was gonna show the whole process, but man, it was too much of a problem. Yeah, but that's the headers that I installed right there, as you can see. You can see them right down there. Yeah, man, OBX headers, they're pretty good header, man. Sound real good. I got a Magnaflow exhaust on here. But yeah, let's see how it sounds. All right, let's see how this thing sounds. Start. Key. Ignition. Oh yeah, I know you like it. Check it out. See if I can get y'all a picture of the header. Yeah, man, I finally got them on there, man. Finally got the job done. Sounds good. Sounds great. Check it out. 07 Avalanche, man. Stage 3 cam, Texas speed. That's what it is, man. It's your boy Rollo. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And holler back at your boy.